Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to get unbanned on any game using a Hardware ID Spoofer. If you don't know what a Hardware ID Spoofer is, I'll put it up on screen now, but it's basically a software that you use to change your hardware identity serials. Advanced kernel anti-cheats such as Easy Anti-Cheat and BattleEye use these hardware serials to apply what's called a hardware ban onto your computer. A hardware ban will restrict you from playing the game on any account. But what I'm going to be showing you in this video is a step-by-step guide on the only way to remove this restriction without buying a whole new computer. So I highly recommend you guys stay with me and watch to the end so you know how to get unbanned. Now I know you guys just want to get unbanned, so I'm going to be getting straight into the tutorial now. The first thing that you guys want to do is head into the description of this video and join the Discord server I've linked there. From there you'll get all the information on the spoofer that I'm going to be showcasing in this video, but what you want to do is get the spoofer, which will come with the download and the license key, and then you want to drag it onto your desktop. As you can see, I've just done this now, so I'm going to be showing you how to get unbanned as if you've already downloaded the spoofer. So the first thing you want to do is open up the folder and then run the application inside of it. Once it opens up, you'll be prompted to enter your license key, which you also get in the Discord server. Now since I don't want to share my license key with anyone else, I'm going to be doing this off the recording. And as you can see, I've just logged into the spoofer, and from this point onwards I'm not going to be cutting the video. Therefore I can show you that this does work and I'm not just cutting it and changing my serials using a different method. So the first thing you want to do is come over to the Hardware ID tab where you can see your hardware serials. Now these are what's getting you banned from the game and not allowing you to play on any account. So what you want to do is head over to the spoofer tab and then click spoof. Now this does take a couple of minutes, so I'm going to be speeding up the process. And boom, just like that, the spoof has finished, returning in 5 seconds. Successfully normal spoofed. We can head back over to the Hardware ID tab, and as you can see, every single hardware serial that was banned from the game has now been changed, which means that we're fully unbanned from any hardware restriction that you have on your computer. But there are a couple of other steps you need to do in order to make sure that the game cannot track your PC using other methods. Some of the other methods that these kernel anti-cheats use to ban your PC is by putting trace files over your computer. These banned trace files will be spread across all of your drives, and I'll be showing you how to remove these banned files now. So the first thing you want to do is go into the link in the description of this video and download Revo Uninstaller. Once you've downloaded and installed it, you want to find Epic Games Launcher or Epic Online Services. By the way, this doesn't only work on Epic Games. If you're banned on something like Valorant, you just want to find Riot Games and uninstall that instead. Since I don't want to actually uninstall Epic Games right now, I'm going to be using a different software to replicate what you would do. So the first thing you want to do is click on it, then right click it and then click uninstall. You don't want to make a system restore point, then just click continue. From here, you want to do the advanced scan, which means it will scan for all of the files on your PC. Now that the scan is finished, we can see all of the files that are linked to what I'm trying to uninstall. So since we want to remove all the banned files, we click select all and then delete. And as you can see, it's found some leftover, select all and delete. And there we go, most of the banned files are now gone from our PC. But to make sure all the banned files are gone, I'm going to be showing you how to check right now. So what you want to do is come down into your taskbar and then search registry editor. You want to then run this as administrator. Once it loads up, hit Ctrl and F on your keyboard and then search Fortnite. Once you've typed it in, just click find next. And there we go, it has found a file linked to the game. Now what you want to do is just right click it and then click delete, and do this until all of the files are gone. You can also type other things such as Epic Games to make sure that these files are also gone. But once you've searched for the game and launcher files, that means you're completely ready to go on to the next step. And the next step of the process will be changing our monitor serial number. To do this, you also want to go into the description and download CRU. And once you've downloaded it and installed it, you will see this. You want to click edit, and then you want to change this serial number by 1 or 2 letters. And by the way, if this is blank, just leave it blank and continue on to the next step. But now that we have changed all of our hardware identity serials and cleaned the ban files from our PC, that means that you are permanently unbanned from any game that has a hardware restriction on your PC. Now I would highly recommend going and getting this while you can, as it's one of the only working spoofers on the market right now. And I hope this helps you guys get unbanned, and thank you for watching and have a great day.